Structure Bond is a super-strength foam adhesive that bonds a wide range of construction products. The Structure Bond gun is an effective tool that allows for a fast and clean application of the adhesive. However, as with most tools, it needs minimum maintenance to keep it working properly and efficiently for a long time. Here's a few tips on how to replace a canister and how to take care of your Techniseal Structure Bond gun. After each use of the gun, if there is still some adhesive in the canister, leave it on the gun. Do not attempt to remove it. Turn the dial on the gun to close the valve completely. The gun is now locked and ready for the next use. If the canister is empty, remove it from the gun to prevent any leftover adhesive from drying and clogging the gun. This could render the gun unusable. Before removing the canister, pull the trigger until no more adhesive comes out to relieve the pressure completely. When removing the canister, make sure you do this away from you to prevent any adhesive from getting on your clothes. To resume work, mount a new canister of adhesive to the gun and open the valve to the desired bead size. If the gun is to be stored away, pull the trigger a few seconds to make sure the gun is filled with the new adhesive. Then close the valve. This will prevent it from drying inside the barrel. For optimal performance, Techniseal recommends mounting a canister of Structure Bond cleaner to the gun and pulling the trigger to clean the gun thoroughly before mounting a new canister of adhesive. You can also use the cleaner to clean other parts of the gun, such as the mounting valve and the tip. For more information regarding Techniseal Structure Bond adhesive and to discover all of our lines of products, visit us at Techniseal.com. Techniseal, the total hardscape solution.